How to change your name in Zoom Workplace. So here I am in the Zoom Workplace app on Windows, and the same exact process is on your phone and on Mac. So what you need to do is you need to make sure that you're logged in, and then after that head over to your profile and then go to My Profile. That will open up a new tab in your browser. What you need to do then is click Edit here next to your name, and here you can edit your first and last name and your display name. The display name is the name that will be shown to others when you're in a Zoom meeting. So this is the one that you actually want to change. Once you've entered your display name, simply head over to Save. Let's head out of here. And now if we just start a new meeting, let's go to the participants. As you can see, this is your display name. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.